What if I told you you could run a full AI-powered agency, create websites, apps, music, videos, and content without hiring a single person? Today, I'm showing you how DevMan AI can literally do the work for you. Honestly, my first impression is, wow. DevMan AI isn't just a tool. It's like having an entire team of AI developers and creators ready to work for you 24/7. No coding, no experience, just results. So what exactly is DevMan AI? It's a complete AI development platform. Inside, you get instant access to 10 plus AI developers, web, iOS, Android, and more. You can manage clients, automate deliveries, and even sell AI-powered services to real clients globally. It's perfect for marketers, freelancers, or anyone wanting to start an AI agency without the usual headaches. And here's the kicker. DevMan AI handles everything. You don't need a team, you don't need a face or voice, and you don't need prior experience. The AI literally does the work while you collect the profits.
Hello, and welcome to DevMan AI. In this quick video, I'll give you a brief overview of how fast and easy DevMan AI works. Let's get started. Log into the application, and from the site menu, you'll find all the features available inside DevMan AI. Let's move to AI Developer. In this section, there are two types of AI models: Live Interaction and AI Coder. Click on Live Interaction. We have multiple AI agents here, like Project Manager, Onboarding Assistant, Training Assistant, etc. Let me show you an example with Ethan, the Solutions Advisor. Click on Start, then click Record. How to build a successful AI application, then Send.
Building a successful AI application involves a structured approach that aligns technology with business objectives. Here's a strategic framework to guide you through the process. 1. Understand the business. Analyze current systems. Begin by assessing existing systems and workflows. Identify pain points or inefficiencies that AI could address. Engage stakeholders. Ask probing questions to understand the needs of your users. What are their challenges? What outcomes are they hoping to achieve? Identify opportunities. Look for areas where AI can add value, such as automation, enhanced decision-making, or personalized user experiences. 2. Clarify the vision. Define clear objectives. Work with your team to articulate a clear vision for the AI application. This should align with your long-term business goals and market demands. Understand customer needs. Ensure the vision resonates with what your customers truly value. This alignment is crucial for adoption and satisfaction. 3. Break down strategy into action. Create a roadmap. Outline actionable steps required to develop the application. Define phases such as research, development, testing, and deployment. Set timelines and KPIs. Establish milestones and key performance indicators to measure success. This ensures accountability and tracks progress. 4. Deliver insight with simplicity. Simplify complex concepts. Use relatable examples to explain AI functionalities. For instance, if using machine learning for predictive analytics, illustrate how it can forecast sales trends based on historical data. Avoid jargon. Focus on clarity over technical language. Ensure all stakeholders understand the implications of the AI application and its benefits. 5. Encourage strategic thinking. Challenge assumptions. Use data to question established practices. Encourage your team to think about alternative approaches and potential what-if scenarios. Explore new perspectives. Facilitate brainstorming sessions to inspire creative solutions. This can lead to innovative features or applications of AI that hadn't been considered. 6. Support implementation. Regular check-ins. Maintain open lines of communication throughout the development process. Schedule regular updates to gather feedback and make necessary adjustments. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge progress, no matter how small. This keeps morale high and reinforces a culture of achievement. 7. Empower. Don't overwhelm. Build confidence. Provide training and resources to empower your team to use and manage the AI application effectively. This reduces dependency on external support. Foster resilience. Encourage a mindset that embraces change and adaptability. Must. AI is a rapidly evolving field. Being open to learning will drive long-term success. Real-world example, consider a retail company looking to enhance customer experience. By understanding their current sales process, they might discover that customers frequently abandon carts.
Now going back to another feature, AI Coder. Here you have multiple AI coders who can write code for you or your clients. You'll find various AI developers across multiple fields. For example, let's talk to Alex, web developer. Can you please generate a good website in the health niche with login functionality using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Now heading to the website creation feature. There are two options here, site creation and pages. Let's move to site creation. This feature lets you launch your own AI-powered software website, where users can access live AI developers and you get paid via PayPal. Here's how. Click Create Site. Choose your domain, subdomain, or custom. Upload your logo, set your contact email, add site content, and set your pricing. Once done, your fully automated AI software business ready. Click the link, and your live AI software business is ready to explore. Let's now explore these other key features. Payment integration. Here's where you can connect your PayPal account to start receiving payments from your AI freelancing site. Opt-in subscriber. This section shows emails collected via the form in your site's footer. These are potential leads and clients who've opted in to hear from you. Customers. This shows you a list of users who've purchased services on your site, so you can track sales and manage your clients easily. Extras. You'll also find bonuses, tutorials, and 24/7 support inside the platform. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy building your own AI developer team with DevMan AI.
Let me show you how simple it is. Here's the main dashboard. From here, you can assign tasks to AI developers instantly, manage multiple clients with the built-in client dashboard, deliver projects with a single click using the automated system, access services in over 80 languages, perfect for global clients. And that's just the front end. You can also create AI-generated music, visuals, and graphics, build websites, blogs, and social media content, automate repetitive tasks, and even schedule client work. Everything is streamlined and everything is done for you.
What if, starting today, you could launch your own software company with zero coding, zero hiring, and zero experience? What if, in the next 60 seconds, you could unlock a full team of 30+ developers? Web, iOS, Android, design, testing, even cybersecurity, all working for you 24/7 while you keep 100% of the profits. Sounds impossible? It's not. Because let's be real, starting a software business the old way is brutal. Developers cost $30K, $50K, even $100K a month. Freelancers ghost you, deliver late, or send half-baked work. And learning to code yourself? Well, that's years wasted. That's why most entrepreneurs are locked out of the $500 billion software gold rush. While the big players cash in, everyday people are stuck on the sidelines. Well, not anymore. Hey, my name is Laxman, and on behalf of my team, I'm excited to introduce to you DevMan AI, the world's first app that gives you a done-for-you developer company in a box. With DevMan AI, you don't just get a tool. You get your own software business ready to launch in minutes. Here's how simple it is. Step 1, log in and activate your agency site. Step 2, choose from 30+ expert developers to handle your clients' projects. Step 3, collect payments directly into your account and keep 100% of the profits. No coding, no hiring, no stress. Imagine closing a client on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook, and instead of scrambling to hire a freelancer, you simply click Assign and watch DevMan AI deliver the project automatically. You look like you're running a full dev agency, but behind the scenes, DevMan AI is doing all the work. This isn't just another AI tool. It's not a template, or a script, or a freelancer directory. DevMan AI is your developer army on autopilot. It builds, it designs, it tests, it secures. It runs 24/7 without salaries, downtime, or drama. And unlike hiring teams or paying for SaaS subscriptions, DevMan AI is one time only. No monthly bleed, ever. Entrepreneurs are already using DevMan AI to deliver websites and apps without touching code, sell dev packages on Fiverr and Upwork, run full-on agencies without hiring a single employee. Marketers, freelancers, e-com store owners, coaches, affiliates, they're all turning DevMan AI into their first real software business. Here's the bigger picture. The software industry is a $500 billion gold rush. And now, for the first time, everyday entrepreneurs can get in without coding, without capital, without risk. But here's the catch. We can only offer a limited number of licenses during this launch. Once they're gone, DevMan AI switches to monthly pricing, no exceptions. So if you want to launch your own dev company today without coding, without hiring, without stress, this is your shot. And remember, you're covered by our 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. That means you risk nothing, and the only risk is missing out. So don't wait. Click the button below right now. Unlock your DevMan AI license today. Launch your software company in minutes and finally claim your place in the $500 billion software gold rush. DevMan AI isn't just software, it's your shortcut to becoming a software CEO starting today.
DevMan AI also has optional upgrades. Premium 47. Remove branding, unlock advanced AI agents, voice-to-task input, smart analytics, and even a done-for-you agency website. Unlimited edition $67. Full access with thirdless AI developers and lifetime usage. No limits, no monthly fees. Music edition $37. AI writes, sings, raps, and produces tracks instantly. Visual edition $37. Create 4K HD videos, images, logos, and storytelling visuals. DFY and agency $97 each. Let the team set up your account, websites, graphics, and client dashboards. Reseller and white label $97 to $297. Resell DevMan AI for 100% profit or fully brand it your own. So no matter your budget or needs, there's a level of DevMan AI for you. And here's where it gets insane. If you grab DevMan AI today through my link, you get these exclusive bonuses absolutely free. WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshows fast. WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your site and reduce bounce. Lead Book Generator. Automate Facebook leads to your list. WP Email Timer Plus. Countdown timers to skyrocket conversions. Conversion Equalizer. Automatically boost AdWords conversions. Action Poll. Segment your audience and increase engagement. Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for search traffic. Slide Up Bar Plugin. Build email lists with ease. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Start driving traffic instantly. Affiliate System for product owners. Set up affiliate campaigns in minutes. And that's just the first 10. There's over 50 plus powerful marketing tools, plugins, and training videos included to maximize your results. Remember, these bonuses are only available for the next 48 hours or to a limited number of buyers. Final verdict, DevMan AI is an absolute game changer. You get a full AI agency at your fingertips, unlimited content creation, apps, websites, music, and visuals. Exclusive bonuses worth hundreds of dollars free. But don't wait. This bonus stack expires in 48 hours, and you really don't want to miss this opportunity. Click the link below, grab DevMan AI, and start running your AI-powered business today. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more honest software reviews. Remember, click the link below to get DevMan AI with all exclusive bonuses delivered instantly. Don't miss out.